The after-school care program had the privilege to welcome Master Fuller to give us an assembly.
Ready, go! Hey everybody, I'm Master Fuller from David Fuller Karate, and I just want to say thank you for allowing me to come share my stuff with the kids here at Collegium. What we went over here today, we went over the 3 Ds of self-defense. Okay, the first D that we talked about was detect, finding clues so that we can try to avoid a situation.
I had lots of fun. He was very loud and enthusiastic.
Ready, go!
Some of the things that he taught our students was about self-defense, about failures being okay, and just different things that they can take with them both in school and outside of school.
Ready, go! The second D was going to be diffuse and trying to talk things down so they don't explode or erupt. You're listening, okay, you're showing good respect.
I learned about defense in the 3 Ds.
Worst case scenario was the third D was defend yourself. And basically we only use what's necessary to get out of a situation.
The program was very interactive, the students were very engaged, and we are very pleased and very happy with the program that he brought for us.
Ready, go!